Types of steel and their uses. Different types of steel. 1. Stainless steel. Stainless steel is very popular among all types of steels. It is shiny in appearance and has 10% to 20% of chromium as alloy. Using chromium as alloy prevents the steel from being corroded and enables it to mold easily into various shapes. Due to its ductility and flexibility, stainless steel is best suited for silverware, home applications, surgical equipment, etc. Stainless steel is of 4 different types. A. Ferritic. Ferritic is the stainless steel in which chromium percentage lies in between 5% to 30%. This type of steel does not have carbon content more than 0.1%. It is magnetic in nature and has high resistance against temperature oxidation as well as stress corrosion cracking. B. Austenitic. Austenitic is a very common type of stainless steel and it contains high nickel, molybdenum and chromium content. Austenitic is used where high malleability and strength is required. C. Martensitic. This steel contains high carbon content which is around 1–2%, but it is structurally similar to the ferritic steel. Due to high carbon content they can be hardened with large degree. They are well suited for surgical instruments and medical tools. D. Duplex. In this type of stainless steel, austenitic stainless steel is combined with ferritic stainless steel, which results into a metal which is stronger than mild steel as well as carbon steel. Due to its corrosion resistance they are well suited for marine applications. 2. Carbon steel. Carbon steel is a dull-looking and matte textured steel. Carbon steel is very prone to corrosion. Carbon steel consists of less amount of alloying elements and it is very strong, therefore carbon steels are used for making automotive parts, high-tension wires, knives and various items. Carbon steels are further divided in 3 different categories on the basis of carbon content. The 3 different types of carbon steel are: A. Low carbon steel. Low carbon steel is also known as mild steel. Generally, low carbon steel consists carbon content in between 0.04% to 0.30%. This steel is found in several shapes ranging from structural beams to flat sheets. For obtaining desired properties in steel, the carbon level is increased in structural steel. The carbon level is usually kept low when more ductile steel is required or when aluminum is introduced. B. Medium carbon steel. Medium carbon steel contains carbon in the range of 0.31% to 0.60%. It has manganese content in between 0.06% to 1.65%. Medium carbon steel has more strength than low carbon steel due to higher carbon percentage. Operations such as forming, cutting and welding are difficult for medium carbon steel because as the carbon content increases, ductility decreases. As the medium carbon steel is generally harder, therefore it is tempered by heat treatment. C. High carbon steel. High carbon steel is also known as carbon tool steel and the carbon content in this steel varies between 0.61% to 1.50%. This steel is difficult to bend, cut and weld due to high carbon content. After heating, high carbon steel becomes brittle as well as hard. 3. Alloy steel. Alloy steel is the mixture of various different metals such as copper, nickel and aluminum. It is cheaper and corrosion resistant, therefore it is used in pipelines, car parts, mechanical projects and ship hulls. Their strength is determined by the percentage of different metals the alloy steel contains. 4. Tool steel. This steel is hard. It is scrape and heat resistant. It is generally used for making metal tools such as hammers. Tool steel is made up of tungsten, cobalt and molybdenum, therefore they have high heat resistance as well as durability. Thanks for watching.